Good morning. I'm Patricia Colbert. I work with EFNEP, Expanded Food and Nutrition Program. We are now getting ready to enjoy Thanksgiving. So we wanted to do Thanksgiving on a budget. Today I'm stuffing a Cornish hen with wild rice, bell pepper, celery, and onion, mushrooms, and beforehand we already marinated our hen. And we marinated our hen with rosemary and just a complete seasoning, and also poultry seasoning. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine our bell pepper, celery, and onion in our long grain wild rice, and also our mushrooms. Now we'll stuff our Cornish hen. We want to make sure that the hen is compact with the rice, bell pepper, celery, and onion and mushrooms. So now this is cooking twine. What we do with the cooking twine is we put the little legs together. We'll just tie our legs together to keep our stuffing in while it cooks. And then we'll get our little cooking shears, cut the string. And voila, we have our stuffed Cornish hen with wild rice, bell pepper, celery, and onion. We just tuck it into our duty fall. We'll cook it in the oven. We'll preheat our oven on 425, and we'll cook it for 45 minutes to an hour until it's no longer red. The meat is no longer red on the bone. Now our Cornish hen has cooked for 45 minutes to an hour. You want to stage your Cornish hen. Let it sit before you plate it. After you plate it, you want to garnish it. And you also want to make sure, before you enjoy your Cornish hen, make sure you remove your cooking twine from the legs. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Hello, my name is Angelica Harris, and we are doing Thanksgiving meals on a budget. My recipe is Tuscan white bean skillet, and we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And go straight in the pan. Give that a couple seconds to heat up. And first we're gonna add our onions. It's 1 cup of onions. I'm gonna saute those for about 2 minutes until they are soft. Okay. And also to the skillet, we're gonna add 1 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Our seasonings, which are 1 tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. We're gonna let all those flavors marinate together for about 2 minutes or until it's, what is it called? Fragrant. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. Okay, now that our vegetables are ready in the skillet, they're translucent and soft, we're gonna add our beans to our white. I have 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes, and don't drain the juice because you'll need that. And also to the pan, we're gonna go ahead and add our artichoke hearts, and this is 1 can whole. So they'll kind of break down in the skillet as they cook a little bit. All right. Okay, last we're gonna add 2½ cups of fresh kale. And you just want it to be wilted. So we're gonna give it about roughly 8 minutes. Then we'll come back. Okay, now we're ready to plate our dish. We're gonna go right in the bowl with it. Right. And last, we're gonna add a little garnish. Okay, here's our dish, Tuscan white bean skillet. Happy Thanksgiving.
Hello, I'm Vita Harrison. I'm the FNEP coordinator for Prairie View A&M University, and this concludes our Thanksgiving on a budget, and we hope that you will enjoy our dishes. And from our family to yours, Happy Thanksgiving!